As per relatives of Kashmiri political prisoners languishing in New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Shabbir Ahmed Shah is seriously ill in the Indian jail. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders and organizations including Abdul Ahad Para, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Dr. Museb, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party and Jammu and Kashmir People's League in their separate statements in Srinagar called upon the UN Human Rights Council, Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch and International Committee of Red Cross to urgently intervene to save the life of the jailed Kashmiri leader. The leaders and organizations deplored that Indian jails have been converted into death cells where, besides being subjected to physical and mental torture, the Kashmiri detainees are deprived of basic amenities including medical care. The ailing APHC leader Abdul Samad Inqilabi has started hunger strike at Varanasi jail in Indian state of UP against the inhumane treatment at the hands of Indian jail authorities. Meanwhile, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred 2 more Kashmiri youth in the garb of cordon and search operations in Kanchikular area of Shopian district today. The troops also continued the search operation on the second consecutive day today in Mishipura area of South Kashmir's Kulgam district. They fired gunshots to scare the people. Amid continued curfew that entered the 7th day today, in Bhadarwa, Indian police arrested 9 Muslim youth in the town. The arrested youths were part of a group that had protested in the town last week against the Indian ruling Bharatiya Janata Party leaders' derogatory remarks on the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Tension had gripped Bhadarwa on Thursday evening after Hindutva activists attacked the Muslims who were protesting against the blasphemous remarks. On the other hand, India's dreaded National Investigation Agency conducted house raids at multiple locations in the Kashmir Valley, including on the residences of many illegally detained Kashmiri leaders and activists. Mahmood Ahmed was elected as convener of APHC SHJ&K chapter, while Sheikh Abdul Mateen as General Secretary and Imtiaz Wani as Information Secretary during an election held in Islamabad today.